yung role ni Harvey. Anong pangalan niya dito? Ian, si Ian.
Ian.
Siya kasi nerd siya, matalino siya. Pero awkward din siya, tsaka hindi niya alam kung anong team siya. It comes to a point na nagsa-second guess siya kasi nakita niya yung pinagalingan ng isang side, tsaka yung pinagalingan namin. So parang, ang nangyayari, meron siyang overlapping thoughts na ano ba yung talagang tama. And you know, it's a fun role to play with kasi you know, Harvey did it so well. So I think that would be one of the roles na, you know, magiging siguro mas-stretch ka talaga and may mapapaisip ka kung sino ba talaga ako, ano ba yung dapat ipaglaban ko. Yung ganun.
Alright, so thank you for your answers and at the same time, kumbaga, it's also a thought na medyo baka unang discover pa rin ng fans, especially with that, kumbaga, twist yung question eh. Palakpakan naman po muna natin ang cast and characters of Roja. Pero hindi pa